Welcome to another episode of Out of Stock. I'm up here with my nephew,
Teacher and Kicks.
and today we are reviewing the Nike Air Fear of God 1. Woo!
It reminds me of a Louis V type box.
Oh yeah, definitely like a designer box. So then you got this husky box, this little like cream orange. Got some Fear of God on there, real light. Can you see it? Nice little box. Comes with all this nice packaging, tote bag, extra laces, but I'm not gonna open this. And it comes with 2 extra laces inside the shoe. Scoop these up at Foot Locker in New York through the sneakers app, and man, I felt really lucky that day. A lot of people were like, yo, I had to try them on in store too.
Flex on them real quick.
Not even. I just wanted to know how they felt. Like, I was curious. It's a new shoe. And you know, I get excited when a new model comes out, especially a model that's like hyped like this.
These are a pair of basketball shoes. I don't understand how you could play basketball on these. After trying these on, these are pretty like stiff and like sturdy. It's probably like playing basketball on a pair of boots. On like their logo, the Air Fear of God, it's like the font is like the Jordan Flight logo.
Not Jordan Flight, the Nike Flight.
Jerry said he couldn't afford the retro Jordan, so he would always wear the Jordan Flights.
Everyone's saying they run big.
Half a size down should be good.
Everyone's saying half a size down. Like I went with the size 8, and you know, it's not bad. I think 7.5 would have been a little better for me, but 8 I can still pull it off.
A little fun fact, the first like prototype pair, this cage, went all the way around your ankle, which then they had to change that because it was nearly impossible to take off the shoe. So that's why they had this little zipper back here.
Yeah.
Little thing to support your ankle too.
It's like, it supports the back of your foot, but also it helps from like chafing. And then you gotta look at the inner lining right here, the microfiber that he put on.
To make it breathable. Cage on the outside is inspired by a Huarache. The double stack Zoom Air. Jerry said with like the whole midsole in general, he wanted like a smooth midsole. He didn't want like any like cuts or ridges in it.
There's like a nice bounce though. I actually like it without the insole. You know, I've been a big fan of just taking the insole out and feeling the tech, the bounce. Numbers on this shoe that you need to know. The number in here, 6, 10, 24, 25 is a Bible verse. It says, "Come here, put your foot on the necks of these kings. Do not be afraid nor be dismayed. Be strong and courageous, for this is what the Lord will do to all your enemies against whom you fight." When you pull the insole out, it's kind of cool. They had it stitched like this. Nice different detail, I guess. It's usually not like that. I can't remember an insole having this.
Right here on the midsole, we have these like little numbers. Apparently it's his grandfather's dog tag numbers when he served in the military.
Oh, and this shoe itself, like most of Jerry's shoes, he wants like the military boot look to it. First, open this, man. There was like some dirty marks on the bottom and stuff. I don't know what's the deal with that. I talked to some other people and they're like, yes, my pair kind of had a lot of creasing, and a lot of people have been complaining about that. I don't know. You charging these were $350?
$395.
With tax it was $381, so I think it's $350 retail. And I was like, why is my shoe dirty? Did someone try it on? But hey man, I'm just happy I have my pair. Tell me how you feel about this shoe, like real feelings, not the hype, because I know the hype blinds you sometimes. You're hyped sometimes, I'm hyped sometimes, then it blinds me. But is it just the Fear of God tag that's, you know, put on this that kind of is creating all this interest? You guys tell me. Like honestly, I think if Jerry's name wasn't part of it and it was just a regular Nike release, how would you feel about it?
The hype wouldn't be the same. I don't think people would pay $300 if Jerry's name wasn't attached to it.
But name and brand means a lot.
It does. Hey guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think of the Air Fear of God ones. If you think it's just hype, and since it's attached to Jerry's name, that's why it has so much interest. But other than that, that's it for this video. We out.